The Mazda 6e comes with both automatic dusk sensing headlamps and automatic wipers, so as it gets dark or starts to rain, you shouldn't need to take your hands from the wheel. This can be overridden or customised further within the settings menu. All you need to do is select the vehicle centre icon and select light. As you can see, this is already on auto, but you can select turn off, add position lights, low beam, or back to automatic. Just below this, you can see an icon for high beam control. Dependent on the current situation with vehicles around you and current lighting, this will switch from low beam to high beam to give you the ultimate visibility possible. You can still flash as normal using the stalk on the left and pulling towards you and releasing as required. Clicking the menu option below will take you to vehicle settings where all wiper options are available. Again, you can see this is already set to auto, but if you need, you can go to low speed, high speed, off, or back to auto. Another quick way of finding this is swiping from right to left, where the top two lines show all light options available and wiper options. For convenience, lights and wiper settings can also be set to one of the two star buttons located on the steering wheel. Another quick way of accessing a mist wipe is to single press the silver button on the end of the left-hand stalk. A long press of that button will give you a wash wipe. All of this can also be done by voice. Hey Mazda,
What would you like to do?
set the wiper level to high.
Completed.
For now, we'll switch it back to auto.